Weight 50.2 kilograms. Length 2.51 meters.
Confirmed. Data lock successful.
Meticulous case form. The ratifying of überpressive Techhausrarix Architectodepligistroversary serves us idem.
The saturation period countdown is accurate.
Confirmed. The Boa Lux trim is perfectly conditioned for the next phase.
Sections of holy cooking time still and stale.
The automated projection system highlights defects. Then, a skilled worker uses a precision tool to manually
Moisture content is stabilized at specification.
Confirmed. The F2024 trims are ready for cutting.
The fully tanned and stabilized A-grade Boa Constrictor leather is fed through a series of large, heated industrial rollers.
Elasticity confirmed. Scale integrity is flawless.
Tone uniformity matches spec. Ready for packaging.
Here we see the Model F 2024 strips receiving their protective ceramic polymer coating.
The sealed and strapped cartons of the F trim 4 trim strip.
The Process B trim provides a textured, durable accent, seamlessly integrated by our robotic automation, elevating the luxury design.
The geometric precision of Process B elevates these accessories. Notice the high contrast coloring on this clutch.
You can really see the precision in this Process B trim. It feels incredibly durable.
This close-up highlights the Process B application. The rigid Boa Constrictor scales offer enhanced functionality and a
The rigidity and longevity of these Process B components allow us to explore non-traditional luxury applications.
The Process B trapezoid inlay is central to the Boa Constrictor trim. Its high contrast color and rigidity
Your payment has gone through. Thank you for your purchase.
It's beautiful. I appreciate the help.
The Process B flexion test demonstrates superior rigidity. The material resists